Happy St. Patrick's Week, Sunbeams 2. So we are in lesson 23 and we will get started right away. Your St. Patrick's practice incentive bags are ready to be picked up. So make sure you send me a text and I'll leave them on the doorstep. And then we will start on our Easter practice incentive. So we've got 15 practices between now and Easter. And we should, there'll be a little Easter package for you as well. So we're going to say it feels like spring. Let's peek. When the sun peeks from behind the clouds, the sunbeams sing and play. We will be together when it feels like spring. It is our music day. Then we'll see who's joining in the fun. Clap your hands and tap your toes. Keep time with everyone. When we join our hands and circle round, the sunbeams bring a smile. We will be together in our class and happy all the while. Then we'll see who's joining us today. Hello sunbeams, hello sunbeams, we're all here to play. Okay, right hand, let's say hello to everyone. Hello everyone. Let's do our scale. Okay, sing do, mi, so, or upper do. Do, mi, so, upper do, so, mi, do. And then I'm going to repeat, okay? So tell me which one I played again. It should be me. Okay, another one. That one's upper do. Okay, so and tell me whether this is major or minor. Major is happy, minor is sad. So this one is sad. This one, happy. And this one, happy. Okay. So we're continuing with our D major scale with the left hand chords. And so remember, if it sounds sad, that's because you have missed the F sharp. So work at remembering F sharp in your one chord, C sharp in the 5/7, and then your 4 is all white notes. Okay? All right. Then for homework, we have H57. And we are matching by numbers. So we have a scale, we have 2 dots above the notes, staccato, those mean to play detached or bouncy. We have 1 note by itself down at the bottom and 2 side by side here. That would look like our 5/7 chord. Our waltz beat, strong, weak, weak. And a scale with F sharp in the key signature and a raised 7th note. That should be recognizable as our E minor harmonic scale, and we have a phrase. So we're going to play all of these notes smooth and connected through here, and then do a little lift or breath at the end. Okay, so these are terms that you should know and know well. And W36, I want you to play through the whole page this week for your D major scale and do all of the chord change. Make sure you are counting as you go through on this page. And then we're going to look at a piece in on K51. And this is the Velvet Waltz. So it's a fun piece. It starts with the pickup beats. So our last bar has 2 counts, 3 and is here. We have F sharp and C sharp in the key signature. We end on D, we're in the key of D major. We have andante, which means a walking pace. And we've got a quarter note with a dot, which gets 1 and 2, and then our individual eighth note gets and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and it's a really cute little piece. So even if you only play the first couple bars, but I think all of us are close enough with our festival pieces that we could for sure get through line 1 with this one. And if you want to take a couple weeks to get through it, but if you look at this and this is very, very similar. And we need to be playing something other than just our festival pieces, okay? Then with festival pieces, make sure that you are paying attention to dynamics, that you are working on your introduction, holding your book in front of you, whatever book your piece is out of. You've got to hold it in front of you when you do your introduction, and say your first name, your last name, and the name of the piece, the composer. Then you need to put the book on the piano closed, play your piece. When you're done, your hands come back to your lap, count to 3, stand up and bow. Okay, and you have to send in a picture of the front cover of the book and of the music inside. Okay, then patterns. Let's do some patterns. So tell me what this one is. Stepping up so high. Jump up high. Stepping down. Stepping up and down. Jump down low. So practice patterns this week, focus on those, and dynamics in your pieces. That's the icing on the cake. You've got your cake made, it's sounding good. Make sure you put the dynamics on there, okay? So, rhythm bags, I want you to do this one. Okay. So, ta, ta, blueberry, ta. Okay. And another one. Watching. Watch again. And remember that would hang down from line 4, and we have a 3/4 time signature. Okay, so with your Easter practice incentive, 15 practices between now and Easter, and you get your little Easter bag. And the St. Patrick's ones are ready to be set out in the step. Just send me a text, and then I will set it out there for you, and you can pick it up. All right, so happy practicing, and let's say goodbye and have fun with that reel. It's really a fun one to play. Or waltz, sorry. So long, farewell, our music class is over. We sang a bit and played a bit, and now it's time to study it. Have a good week, you guys.